About this item wrench upgrade technology: the soldering iron is upgraded 80W high power, and can make the soldering iron quickly heat up within 20 seconds. This soldering iron can accurately adjust the temperature and a flexible temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius - 480 degrees Celsius / 356 degree F 896 degree F. Watch clear digital display, a high definition LCD screen display, which indicates the temperature status more clearly, so you don't need to worry about finding the right temperature for each welding job. Telephone efficient heat dissipation and anti-scalding handle: the 4 ventilation holes on the solder tip provide better heat dissipation than others. Heat-resistant handle can insulate temperature effectively and is more suitable for long-term welding and repair work. Alarm clock wide application: widely used for welding circuit board, appliance repair, jewelry, and metal head dressmaking, computer, and DIY. Very suitable for beginners, welders, basic household equipment, welding engineer training, etc. Excellent gifts for Father's Day. Confetti ball must-have soldering iron kit. Kit includes soldering iron, simple soldering iron stand, conventional sponge, 1mm tin lead rosin core, 60/40th solder. A good basic soldering iron set that has all the materials you need to get started. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item wrench upgrade technology: the soldering iron is upgraded 80W high